Anyway, today was supposed to start off one way and now it's going to go a different. I was going to just take the wheelbarrow and have a load of mulch delivered to this job that I'm trying to do. But apparently the truckers are all on vacation this week, which is awesome. Good for them. They're good guys. They deserve a break. But I still need my mulch, so we're going to do this the old-fashioned way, which is to say, for those of us without dump trailers, well, gonna break out the flatbed, grab the tarps, and load it on there. I was gonna get like 6 yards of mulch, but I can really only put like maybe 3 on this, maybe 4. I think I had 4 on this once. It's not all bad though, because when you load mulch on this trailer, then you can just sweep it off into the wheelbarrow, which is much easier than scooping it up off the ground to load the wheelbarrow. So that's kind of what the job is about. It's about solving problems. We're always solving some new problem, and let's get to it. Maybe it's a sign. Yeah, someone did a nice job pruning that shrub. Look at how even that is. The other one, the front of the tractor would run into the side of the trailer before you could dump it. I remember that. All right, well, I was thinking I wanted 5 or 6 yards. This is 3. Fits on here pretty good. Oh, we're losing some of it here, coming off. It's not the way I usually like to do this, but it works. Let's get this wrapped up and get out of here. we've arrived at this lovely location. We are going to weed out these beds, try to give the perennials in here a little bit more room, and then we're going to go ahead and mulch it. I'll take you around, take a look at this real quick. I actually pruned all of these shrubs earlier this year. They were kind of overgrown, and right now we're trying to get their shape managed. Obviously we have some dead limbs on this boxwood. We'll take those out. This boxwood had to be rather drastically cut back. You don't really want to prune them back too much more than that because you'll get bare spots, but you can see it's starting to grow back since it's been pruned. Clean this up over here a little bit. It's not so bad. And we'll trim this Rose of Sharon back, mulch all this, and that's it. Let's get started on it. Here's everything after it's all cleaned up. Before we mulch it. Back here again, 1 yard short, which is what I thought we would be. Sometimes life's like that. All right, looks like this is all wrapped up for now. A couple little leaves in there I gotta pick up, but not so bad. Have our rows of sharon that we pruned. All the beds mulched, pathway cleaned up. And yeah, I think it looks pretty clean. They know they need to do something about the border. We spoke about that a little bit. I don't know if that'll ultimately be a me thing, that might be a them thing. But yeah, way nicer now.